Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders. We're out at a job site again. Coffee and Construction in Tempe, the intro roll. Yay, another project under the way. You're going to be so excited to see the transformation of this home as we go through it. So I'm standing in the backyard right now, but I'm walking you through the house. We're going to start over here in the master bedroom and bathroom. Here in the master bedroom and bathroom, we've got this giant arched opening that we're going to be compacting and making a single door with a barn door on it. And here you can see this drop soffit that they had before. Now that's going to go away, and we're going to hang some beautiful light fixtures from there to maintain this as our vanity area. The corner here, windows are getting replaced, but then this area here is going to become a giant shower. We had a tub and a smaller shower in here, and then over here that water closet's going to get a little bit bigger. This space here used to have a cabinet in it, and then there was a cabinet on the opposite side in the hallway. So that was one of those spaces we're going to utilize within the master bathroom. Oh, so here we have Gilbert and his crew with Mi'kmaq Demolition doing the demo. This was our kitchen space. It will become our kitchen space again. But isn't that a big, beautiful, open kitchen area that they have done such a great job with the demo on? Over here, we're going to have a wet bar. Oh, it's so exciting. And then here, our fireplace units are going to be switched out, so they're electric units. On this side of the house, where we have a bathroom and a couple of bedrooms. Not doing a lot of work in here, but they'll get new flooring and new paint, new windows. And then over here, somebody at some point in time thought it would be a great idea to extend their HVAC into the room a little bit. So we're going to just take out those little corner pop-outs and make the registers flush with the wall above in both of these bedrooms. Some beautiful marble tile in it. So we're going to keep the most of the marble tile. We are going to lose this vanity, but in the process of getting rid of that vanity, we'll lose this backsplash. But it's still going to be such a great space for these homeowners, replacing these cabinets so that they have new cabinets and countertops in that space. Tall cabinet here. We're going to have a cabinet, a base cabinet with a wall cabinet above and a landing space so that when they have guests, this can be like a docking station for their phones and for charging, for all those other things that can come along with guests and making them feel welcome in your home. Isn't this going to be fantastic? So here we are at the front of the home. You can see these guys are still working hard in here. We're going to replace this entry door and side light so that we get a new beautiful door in here. And then you can see over here, this is our living room. That floor is getting elevated so that it is a level with the rest of the floors in the space. And then we'll have some beautiful new outlines for our fireplaces. I'm so excited about that. We're going to have a great sight line here. We're taking out this wall that was around the kitchen before and just opening up the space to it. Oh, it's going to be so exciting. Friends, for Coffee and Construction, episode 1 in Tempe, take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.